This video provides an overview of the Effective Assessment Data Management Project, also known as EDM, and the analytics that are the result of this effort. The EDM project is funded by the Michael and Susan Dell Foundation to examine district practices around assessment strategy and data governance. In most school districts around the nation, there is an overwhelming array of assessment data available. However, in most cases, there is not a clear theory of action and assessment framework to explain when, how, or which assessments should be used to best drive appropriate instructional practices. In an attempt to support districts in making these decisions, the EDM project and the EDM design team, consisting of representatives from several participating school districts, has defined a set of common terminology along with common practices and procedures, including an assessment inventory, calendar, and data governance strategy. Building on the context they had created, the EDM design team developed a set of essential questions that could be answered with assessment data. The first essential question or use case is, how can we show whether students are improving over time? For the purpose of development, we chose to look at mathematics at the middle school level. The assessments are FSA Math, STAR Math, and IXL. STAR Math is used as a benchmark assessment and is administered 3 times a year. Note that these represent 3 different types of assessments: summative, benchmark, and formative. During the development phase, we focused on data from the 2017 to 18 school year, but since the FSA scores are now available and STAR assessment has been administered this year, we are shifting to the most current data available. For the next few minutes, we'll take a look at the visualization for Essential Question 24. The summary page is the first page of the report that you see when you click on the visualization. There are 3 charts across the top designating are students improving over time, student distribution by performance level, and the STAR Math National Percentile by rank. The data supporting these is at the bottom, and there are filters at the top that you can select or deselect to narrow down the data that you're looking at. Also, you'll notice that as you hover over a section, the data for that section appears, or by performance level. Click on the bar and you will see the narrowed down selection of the data. Let's drill down and take a look at the stable group. In this group, we see the students who fall into the stable rating, indicating that their change has been plus or minus 2%. These students, you can see the score out of possible score for each of the domains. You can also click on one student and view his or her performance in a specific assessment. Next, we'll take a look at a single student. In this case, we can see how she performed out of each domain, which ones she scored high in, which ones she scored low in. We can also compare her performance on the different types of assessments, noticing that she did very well in expressions and equations in the IXL Math, but less well in both the STAR Math August and the STAR Math December. Now that we have finished with the proof of concept, the group is working on bringing EQ24 into production in interested school districts, and developing visualizations for additional essential questions.